All right, and welcome to the Byrna unboxing. If you're here, you know what you're going to be looking at. I've never done a video, so bear with me. Here we go. It's the less than lethal Byrna SD launcher. I got it in the tan color, desert tan. Comes with max projectiles. Those are some pepper spray ones. Kinetic are the non-pepper spray, but you can shoot them at people. And we got Eco Kinetic, which should probably be the training rounds, it looks like. So, much like a regular pistol, safety on and off. Magazine, and then of course a CO2 goes. Gotta pull that thing up. Just shit, gotta unscrew that so it unscrews. Looks like the CO2 goes right there. That was loose, and if I get a hex key, oh, there's a key on the bottom of this. The bottom of the magazine, there's like a little key. You can tighten that up. You can do it by hand. And then tighten it, probably just hand tight. Don't strip it. And there you go. So, to load, grab some of these suckers. Just pop them in there, I think. Until I'm not one for instructions. Throw 3 of them in there. Safety's on. Let's see if we can. I'm in my warehouse right now. There's a lot of crap in here, as you can tell. But let's just shoot something. Let's shoot that box. Sweet. Hopefully the neighbors don't come by. But anyway, that's the Byrna. Less than lethal. You don't feel like killing somebody, just hurting them. That's the best option. Let's go see if we can find the. See if we can find the shot. Oh yeah, went through the box, through this box. Yeah, that would definitely hurt. That would definitely.